Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by securing power and position. Park, set the brake, and turn off accessories. First, visually inspect the trailer plug and socket for corrosion, bent pins, or debris because small damage causes big voltage drops. Then you use a multimeter. Probe the trailer connector for 12V on taillight circuits and check continuity to ground. If voltages are low, wiggle the harness while watching readings to find intermittent opens. Once done, isolate whether the truck or trailer wiring is the fault. You now isolate components. Test each lamp directly by applying 12V or swapping in a known good incandescent. LEDs need proper converters. Next, follow the harness from plug to lights, looking for chafing, crushed sections, or poor splices. Cut out bad sections and reconnect with solder and heat shrink or quality butt connectors to restore conductivity. Make sure ground straps are clean, tight, and attached to bare metal. Grounds often cause dimming. Once these repairs are completed, retest lights under load. You finish by cleaning and reassembling the connector, applying dielectric grease to prevent corrosion, and securing the harness to avoid future wear. Reconnect and test lights while another person operates signals and brakes. Watch voltage at the bulb under load because low running voltage reveals drops in wiring or poor grounds. If dimming persists only with trailer attached, verify the vehicle fuse, the trailer converter, or any load equalizers, and alternator output. If needed, replace the harness section or...
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.